Sniper trade of the day for June 18th, 2026. We're trading Alcoa, one of our usual regular symbols. It's in a critical state. The box at 1 shows the high of the day and the low of the day from yesterday for reference. At 2, you see the blue box. That is the last 30 minutes of the day yesterday. At 3, we have the gap down opening. At 4, see the green box, which is the opening range 10. We buy the breakout, or sell the breakout, I should say, at 4, with a standard risk box in the yellow at 5. I considered adding a second short position here at 6. I didn't. Should have. It just drains all day, and then near the close, we take a 1, 2, 3 exit, and at 7, and then we notice that the VWAP is at 8, the close is at right around here at 7-ish. Very orderly single position trade, absolutely routine, nothing special or weird about that, and that's a good 2R in the bank on Alcoa on the day of weakness in the metals. Ken at Tortoise Capital. Keep your risk measured and your powder dry.